Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a performance dashboard with Klipfolio step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Klipfolio account. Once you're logged in, select the Dashboards option from the main menu. Click on the Create a Dashboard button. Provide a name for your new dashboard. Choose a layout that best fits your data presentation needs. Next, click on the Add a Clip button to begin adding visualizations. Select the type of clip you want to create from the available options. If you're pulling data from a data source, click on Data Sources to connect your desired source. Follow the prompts to establish the connection to your data source. Once connected, return to your dashboard and select the newly linked data source. Now, customize your clip by selecting the metrics you wish to display. Adjust the visual settings, such as charts, tables, or gauges, based on your preference. You can also modify colors and fonts to match your branding. After customizing, click Save to apply the changes to your clip. Repeat the process for additional clips you want to add to your dashboard. Arrange the clips by dragging and dropping them into your desired layout. Make sure to review the dashboard for clarity and comprehensiveness. Once satisfied, click Done to finalize your dashboard setup. Your performance dashboard is now ready for use. You can share the dashboard link with your team for collaborative access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.